Hello, I'm Rich Morris, lead drone at Broodminder, here at Bees on Main in beautiful downtown Stoughton, Wisconsin. I'd like to introduce today version 3 of our Bees app. This is a major release that Amanda and Maxime and Lorenzo and Rich Hogel have been working on for the last 6 months, and we really are excited about it. There's some terrific new features that we want to share with you. You can find all the details if you go to mybroodminder.com and click on documentation and then select the Bees app. There's a nice section in the manual there now. But a couple of quick notes. We have some new tabs. So the first one I'll mention is the Apiaries tab, and in the Apiaries tab you'll see information about the apiary that you've registered by zip code. And you can see the nectar flow index. That's based on the weather algorithms that Maxime and Lorenzo have been working on. And then you can also select the weather and see the forecast for the next 7 days and for the last 7 days. So that's really nice. And then if you go to the Hives tab, you'll be able to quickly see information on all your hives. At the top, you'll see the different hives that you have and a little heart to say whether they're in good or bad shape. The number 1 here at the top is saying that in my swarm trap I have an alert, and I disconnected it last week, so yes, it has been disconnected because I caught a swarm, by the way. Anyway, from this you can very quickly see what the health, the brood level is at the top, and then you can look at all the parameters that we normally have, including the brood level, and you can also see notes. Another big cool deal is down here at the bottom you'll see the plus sign, and from that we'll bring up very easy to add notes now. You can still use voice control if you hit the mic button down here and that sort of stuff, but we also have a lot of tags right at hand, and you can assign those to multiple hives at a time and put the specific date. So we've tried to make it super easy to add notes. Very powerful part of my Broodminder, and coming soon will be more workflows based on those notes. So when you have a swarm, it'll start a calendar that talks about queen replacement and those sorts of things. So if you want to use it the way you used to, we still have the Devices tab, which shows everything in the area that it can find, and we have the Manage tab, which lets you look at it like you used to in the Bees app. And we'll be talking about more later. There's a couple other cool features, but they'll require a whole separate video. So take care. Hope you really enjoy it. We're loving it so far. And remember, every hive counts.